Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup FreshBooks customer data for HubSpot import detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your FreshBooks account. Navigate to the Clients tab in your dashboard. Select the client list you wish to backup. Once on the client list page, look for the option to export. Click on the Export button. A pop-up window will appear with various file format options. Choose the CSV format for your export. After selecting CSV, click on the Export button within the pop-up. The file will download automatically to your computer. Locate the downloaded CSV file in your designated Downloads folder. Open the CSV file using a spreadsheet application like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Review the data to ensure all client information is included. Identify and remove any unnecessary columns not needed for HubSpot. Check that the essential fields such as name, email, phone number, and address are present. Once satisfied with the data, save the file again in CSV format. Now, log into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the Contacts section in your HubSpot dashboard. Click on the Import button located in the upper right corner. Choose the Import from File option in the Import menu. Upload the CSV file you saved from FreshBooks. Follow the prompts to map the fields from your CSV to the corresponding HubSpot fields. Ensure that all fields are correctly matched before proceeding. Click on the Finish Import button to initiate the import process. Wait for the completion message to confirm your data is successfully imported. Finally, review your HubSpot contacts to verify that all information transferred correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.